Espresso Martini. An introduction to Espresso Martini, Jigger Cocktails. A drink for coffee and cocktail lovers. There's a delightful secret that those who straddle the worlds of caffeine devotion and cocktail appreciation have discovered: why choose one when you can have both? What is an Espresso Martini? The Espresso Martini, a harmonious blend of two worlds, where the aromatic allure of coffee meets the sophisticated spirit of a cocktail. But where did this iconic drink come from, and how did it earn its revered place in the annals of mixology? With the tools of his trade and a flair for innovation, Bratzel combined freshly brewed espresso, vodka, coffee liqueur, and simple syrup. He then shook it fervently over ice, creating a frothy, caffeinated concoction that was as invigorating as it was intoxicating. And thus, the Espresso Martini was born, originally named the Vodka Espresso. Glassware. Chilling the glass beforehand helps maintain the temperature of the drink and adds an extra touch of class. What is the alcohol in Espresso Martini? The primary alcoholic ingredient in an Espresso Martini is vodka. This clear, distilled spirit is the backbone of the cocktail, providing the alcoholic kick without overshadowing the robust flavors of the espresso. The supporting cast, coffee liqueur. While vodka is the primary spirit, the Espresso Martini also typically includes a coffee liqueur, such as Kahlua. This liqueur enhances the coffee notes, adding sweetness, richness, and a touch of complexity. What is the difference between coffee martini and espresso martini? Espresso Martini, an overview. Typically combined with vodka, coffee liqueur, and simple syrup, the Espresso Martini is renowned for its frothy top layer, which adds to its visual and textural appeal. It's a cocktail that encapsulates the intensity of espresso, making it a favorite for those seeking a drink that's both invigorating and intoxicating. Coffee Martini, an overview. On the other hand, the Coffee Martini takes a more relaxed approach. Instead of the bold punch of espresso, it utilizes regular brewed coffee. This results in a milder, smoother flavor profile, allowing for greater flexibility in the choice and proportion of accompanying spirits and mixers. What liquor is best for an espresso martini? Traditionally, the soul of an espresso martini is vodka. Vodka's like that cool, unassuming friend who doesn't hog the conversation, allowing the espresso's rich tales of mountainous terrains and exotic lands to shine. Traditional choices. Traditionally, vodka reigns supreme in an espresso martini. Its clean, clear taste doesn't overshadow the coffee, creating a harmonious blend. Modern twists and variations. In today's experimental cocktail culture, bartenders play with different spirits. Dark rums, with their caramel and molasses notes, can add depth. Whiskeys, especially those with a hint of vanilla or smoke, can introduce a new layer of complexity. Why it remains popular. The Espresso Martini's popularity is a testament to its perfect balance, the alertness from the caffeine, the warmth from the alcohol, and the sheer pleasure of its taste. Whether you're a coffee lover, a cocktail enthusiast, or someone in between, there's no denying the allure of this modern classic. Thanks for watching.